former president Jacob Zuma reportedly suffered a traumatic injury late last year and now needs extensive emergency treatment. A high-level military doctor has reportedly told prison and prosecuting authorities that it will take about 6 months of care to restore Zuma's health. According to the media report, prosecutor Billy Downer has made it very clear that the state isn't satisfied with the vague generalities contained in Brigadier General Dr. Mkebisi Zukile's submission, which could have major implications for the future of the Zuma corruption trial. The Pietermaritzburg High Court on Tuesday ordered that the former President Jacob Zuma team need to produce a medical report by no later than 20th August 2021. Zuma was expected to appear in court on Tuesday, but the long-delayed corruption trial against Zuma was once again postponed to September 9th following his hospitalization last week. The court further said that it is directed that the state may appoint a medical practitioner of its choice to examine Zuma and, if necessary, to give evidence as to his fitness to attend court and stand trial.